Chapter 1. The Impossible. Begins. Imagine waking up tomorrow, and the sky is gone. No blue horizon. No clouds. No wind. Only an endless black void above your head. At first, everything feels strangely quiet. Then you take a breath, but there is no air. Within seconds, every living creature on Earth begins to suffocate. The atmosphere is invisible, yet it protects every second of our lives. It gives us oxygen. Shields us from deadly radiation, keeps our oceans from boiling away. And makes life on Earth possible. But what if, in a single instant, it completely disappeared? How long would humanity survive? And what would happen to our planet, second by second? Let's find out. Chapter 2. The first minutes. Only seconds have passed, but Earth's surface is already becoming unrecognizable. Without atmospheric pressure, your lungs can no longer function normally. Every breath becomes impossible. The air that once surrounded the Kiko planet has vanished into the endless vacuum of space. Within moments, the familiar sounds of life disappear. No wind. No birds. No rustling leaves. Only terrifying silence. Above you, the sky is no longer blue, even in broad daylight. The stars become visible against the blackness of space. At the same time, the sun's deadly ultraviolet radiation strikes Earth's surface without protection. Within minutes, living organisms begin suffering catastrophic damage, and this is only the beginning. The worst is still to come. Chapter 3. Earth begins to die. Narration. Hours pass, and Earth's transformation accelerates. Without an atmosphere, the planet can no longer hold its warmth. Temperatures begin to swing to terrifying extremes. Under direct sunlight, the surface becomes unbearably hot, but as darkness falls, the heat escapes into space. The cold arrives with incredible speed. The oceans begin to change. Exposed to the vacuum, water starts to boil. At the same time, the freezing temperatures turn the surface into ice. Across the continents, forests wither, rivers disappear. Animals struggle to survive. One ecosystem after another collapses. The vibrant blue planet is slowly becoming a silent world of rock and ice. Yet, deep underground, a small group of survivors may still have one final chance. Chapter 4. Could humanity survive? Is there any hope for humanity to survive? Surprisingly, the answer is not a simple no. Deep beneath Earth's surface, natural caves and underground facilities could provide temporary shelter. Inside these sealed environments, people could breathe, grow food. And generate their own electricity. But survival would come at an enormous cost. Without the atmosphere, there would be no agriculture on the surface. No rivers. No forests. No wildlife. Every resource would become precious. Every mistake could mean the end of an entire community. Humanity would no longer rule the planet. It would simply struggle to survive one more day, perhaps. Last humans would spend generations underground, waiting for a future that might never come. Long. Number 13. Chapter 5. A silent planet. Could Earth ever recover? The answer is almost certainly no. Without an atmosphere, the planet would remain exposed to the endless vacuum of space. No rain would ever fall again. No blue sky would return. No forests would grow. The oceans would slowly disappear, and the world that once echoed with life would become silent forever. Perhaps one day, humanity could build a new atmosphere, or leave this dying world behind to find another home among the stars, but until that day, Earth would stand as a reminder that life depends on something we rarely even noticed, an invisible shield that protects every breath we take. Sometimes, the most important things are the ones we cannot see. Outro Earth's atmosphere disappeared. Life as we know it would end within hours. The air we breathe, the blue sky above us, and the invisible shield protecting our planet are far more fragile than we imagine. Our universe is filled with incredible possibilities and terrifying mysteries. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to Cosmic Truths. Because our next adventure into the universe is just beginning.